So here it is. This is Assembly by Ren Games. And look, it's so tiny. It's got a D12. And then it's got little pods. And then you've got your cards. It's all in this beautifully compact little box. So you've got your characters. This is in a mess because I've played with it. You've got your clock cards which have got malfunctions on. I haven't tried those yet. I'm going to try those just now. And there's some more characters. And then we've got your command cards that allow you to move the pods into the correct places. Draw more pods up, lock the bays. And then there's your bays, look. Try it the right way up. There's the bays. And that's the locked side. And that's what it looks like when it's unlocked. So it's just really, really pretty, look. Pretty and compact. Oh, and there's another character. Who's that one? Sammy. And yeah, then there's your clock cards without the malfunctions on. And some weenie summary cards that show you what your different commands can be. So there we are. Ta-da!